Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss new topic, derivatives. So this is important chapter for 12th class as well as competitions. Let y is equal to fx. Fx function of x. So derivatives means dy dx. Rate of change in y with respect to x, that is called derivatives. So dy dx or f dash x. So symbol of derivatives dy dx, f dash x, y dash y1 capital dy dfx. Clear? So symbol of derivatives dy dx, f dash x, y dash x, y1 dy capital D fx. So there are some methods to find derivatives. So first step, first principal method. We have discussed in class 11 dy dx is equal to limit h tends to 0 fx plus h minus fx upon h, or limit h tends to 0 fx minus h minus fx upon minus h. Clear? Second है आपको derivatives of standard functions. Standard function. तो फर्स्ट बेसिक मेथड्स आपको फॉलो करने, y इज इक्वल टू सी. सी मीन्स कांस्टेंट. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल y इज इक्वल टू 2, y इज इक्वल टू -3. तो डिफरेंशिएट ऑफ कांस्टेंट विद रेस्पेक्ट टू x इज इक्वल टू 0. सेकंड, y इज इक्वल टू x रेज़ टू n, वेयर n इज कांस्टेंट. Differentiate of x raised to n with respect to x is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. For example, y is equal to x cube, dy dx is equal to 3x square. Clear? Next, y is equal to e raised to x. So differentiate of e raised to x is equal to e raised to x. So next function e raised to x, fx और ये f डैश का x. e raised to x means a raised to x into log a ln a. For example, y is equal to 2 raised to x, that dy dx is equal to 2 raised to x into log 2. Clear? Function log x, base of log is e. To differentiate of log x 1 by x, Next है trigonometric function, differentiate of sin x cos x, differentiate of cos x minus sin x, differentiate of tan x sec square x, differentiate of cot x minus cosec square x. Sec x into tan x, cosec x minus cosec x into cot x. Inverse trigonometric function, sin inverse x 1 upon root 1 minus x square, cos inverse x minus 1 upon root 1 minus x square, tan inverse x 1 upon 1 plus x square. Next, cot inverse x minus 1 upon 1 plus x square, sec inverse x 1 upon x root x square minus 1, cosec inverse x minus 1 upon x root x square minus 1. तो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक sin x cos minus sin, tan sec square x cot minus cosec square, sec x into tan x, cosec x minus cosec x into cot x, sin inverse x 1 upon root 1 minus x square, cos inverse x minus 1 upon root 1 minus x square, tan inverse पॉजिटिव, कॉट इनवर्स नेगेटिव, पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव, ये रिजल्ट है. तो ये बेसिक आइडेंटिटीज है जो आपको फॉलो करने. तो some fundamental theorems. First, y is equal to c into fx. C constant fx is function of x. Then differentiate of y with respect to x. C constant as it is, rest करवाएं आप उसमें, and f dash x. For example, y is equal to 3x square, dy dx 3 constant as it is, differentiate of x square 2x. Final answer is 6x. Second, y is equal to u plus minus v, where u and v both are function of x. dy dx differentiate of u plus or minus differentiate of v. For example, y is equal to sin x plus x cube. Differentiate of y with respect to x, differentiate of sin x is cos x plus differentiate of x cube 3x square. So this is dy dx. Clear? Y is equal to u plus minus v, where u and v both are function of x. Differentiate of u plus minus differentiate of v. Next, u into v, the product of two function, u and v both are functions of x. dy dx u as it is, differentiate of v plus v as it is differentiate of u, or differentiate of u v as it is plus u as it is differentiate of v. For example, y is equal to log x into x square. So dy dx log x as it is differentiate of x square plus x square as it is differentiate of log x differentiate of x square 2x plus x square differentiate of log x 1 by x. 1x cancel, 2x into log x plus x, or x common out 2 log x plus 1. Clear? So this is final answer. Next, y is equal to u upon v method in division है. U and v both are function of x. dy dx v square upon में v square, v as it is differentiate of u minus u as it is differentiate of v dash. Clear? U upon v square, v as it is differentiate of u minus u as it is differentiate of v. Clear? For example, y is equal to log x upon x. Clear? To differentiate of y with respect to x, dy dx. According to u upon v method, v square means x whole square, x as it is differentiate of log x minus u as it is differentiate of x, differentiate of log x 1 by x, differentiate of x 1 x square, 1 minus log x upon x square. Clear? u upon v method आपको follow. Chain rule. So this is very important. Let y is function of u and u is function of x. Sorry. Y is equal to fu and u is equal to gx. Y is function of u and u is function of x. Our target is dy dx. To first find differentiate of y with respect to u. So f dash u. Clear? And u is function of x. Then find differentiate of u with respect to x. Z dash x. Clear? dy dx is equal to dy du into dy dx, f dash q into z dash q. For example, y is equal to sin x square plus 1. Clear? To first let u is equal to x square plus 1 means y is equal to sin u and u is equal to x square plus 1. बेसिक में आपको कन्वर्ट करना है, तो लेट करिए आप. तो dy du, तो डिफ्रेंशिएट ऑफ साइन u विद रेस्पेक्ट टू u मीन्स कॉस u and differentiate u with respect to x square to x, constant 1 is 0. So dy dx is equal to dy by du into dy dx. dy du cos u and du by dx is equal to 2x or 2x cos u x square plus 1. Clear? Basic identity we know sin x only. So first let x square plus 1 is equal to u means y is equal to sin u and u is equal to x square plus 1. Y is function of u, so first find differentiate of y with respect to u. So sin u means cos u, u is function of x, so dy dx is equal to x square 2x 1 constant 0. Then dy dx is equal to dy by du into dy dx. Cos x 2x, 2x into cos u means x square plus 1. So you may use direct method. In this example, y is equal to sin x square plus 1. dy dx clear? First find differentiate of sin 1 by 1. To differentiate of sin cos x, cos x square plus 1 as it is, इसको एज ए एक्स आपको ट्रीट करना है. तो साइन एक्स कॉस एक्स, तो एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 इंटू डिफ्रेंशिएट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1. कॉस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 इंटू डिफ्रेंशिएट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर 2x 1 कांस्टेंट 0, तो 2x इंटू कॉस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, let y is equal to log sin 2x plus 1. Clear? To 1 by 1 dy dx, first differentiate of log, तो log x means 1 by x, तो 1 upon sin 2x plus 1. Clear? तो first differentiate of log 1 upon x, kick log. Next differentiate of sin, तो sin means cos x, तो 2x plus 1. Remove sin x, तो differentiate of 2x plus 1, 2 constant x 1, 1 constant 0. तो 2 plus 0 2, cos upon sin cot, cot 2x plus 1, 1 by 1 आप यूज़ कर. तो log sin 2x plus 1. तो first differentiate of log, next into differentiate of second function into differentiate of third and next. Clear? So this is chain rule. So there are some examples. Example first, y is equal to x into 1 plus log x. To find differentiate of y is equal to x into 1 plus log x, base of log is e. So we may use u into v method. Differentiate of y with respect to x, dy dx. We know that derivatives of product of two function dy dx, u as it is v differentiate plus v as it is u differentiate. So this is u and this is v. So according to this method, u as it is, x as it is, differentiate of 1 plus log x, plus 1 plus log x as it is, differentiate of x. X 1 constant 0, derivatives of log x 1 by x. This is 1. So 0 plus 1 by x, 1 by x, x cancel 1 plus 1 plus log x is equal to 2 plus log x. This is final answer. Clear? Next example, y is equal to e raised to x into 10x plus x log x, u plus v and u into v method. Differentiate of u plus differentiate of v. Next, u into v method and u into v method. X e raised to x as it is, differentiate of 10x sec square x plus 10x as it is, differentiate of e raised to x x plus u into v method, x as it is, differentiate of log 1 by x, log x, x means 1, e raised to x common out, x square plus 10x, x cancel 1 plus log x. So this is final answer. Clear? Example number 3. Y is equal to log tan inverse root 1 plus x square. To first find derivatives of log 1 upon log x 1 by x, tan inverse root 1 plus x square. Clear? Into differentiate of tan inverse x. differentiate of tan inverse x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. तो रूट 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर ट्रीट एज ए एक्स, 1 अपॉन 1 प्लस एक्स, 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर रूट और गे स्क्वायर इंटू डिफ्रेंशिएट ऑफ रूट 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर. रूट और स्क्वायर कैंसिल, 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 2 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर. नेक्स्ट डिफ्रेंशिएट ऑफ रूट, तो डेरिवेटिव्स ऑफ रूट एक्स इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 2 रूट एक्स, 1 अपॉन 2 रूट 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू रूट डिफ्रेंशिएट ऑफ 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर 1 कॉन्स्टेंट प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर 2x मीन्स 2x. 2 और 2 cancel, then final answer x upon 2 plus x square root 1 plus x square and tan inverse root 1 plus x square. So this is final answer. Clear? Next example, y is equal to 2 root cot x square. First two constant as it is differentiate of root cot x square. First find differentiate of root 1 upon 2 root cot x square into next differentiate of cot x square. Differentiate of cot minus cosec square x into differentiate of x square 2x. cot x square. तो ये आपके बेसिक मेथड हैं, बेसिक आइडेंटिटी जो आपको याद रखना है. तो नेक्स्ट डिस्कस करते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में. तो दिस इज़ फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ डेरिवेटिव्स. अदर आप सेकंड पार्ट में डिस्कस करते हैं. ओके, थैंक यू.